So here is a practical problem, right? And of course, I'm using an example that I am familiar with, which is my research problem, okay? So we have a gap, a research question, and we need to make a smart objective. So the gap is the problem. What's the gap here in my research nowadays? Lack of sensors for measuring ethanol in kombucha. Just a parenthesis here, I don't know if you're familiar with, but kombucha is a kind of probiotic drink which is made the fermentation of tea. So it's very good for the health and is circulating a lot of money. So we have here for 2023 a market of about $13 billion. Only in this year, 2024, the market was about over $4 billion. So this is very important. And what's the problem? Because this is a fermentation product, happens that it produces ethanol, which is alcohol, right? So this is a drink, but it's not alcoholic drink. So we have to be strictful in controlling the levels of ethanol. And it would be very nice if the producer had equipment that could do this inline during production. Okay, so that's our laboratory nowadays. So how will we solve this problem? We are using interdisciplinary thinking, which is very common in research nowadays. So to solve this gap, we are working with microbiology, food engineering, and then we are trying to do something that is electronic, an instrument that anyone can just read and say it's okay or it's not. It's above the level which is allowed or is below, right? So we need electronics, we need chemistry, of course, because all the interactions are running by chemistry. And at the end, we have a lot of data. So we need data science.